Welcome to our channel. Dr. Abdul Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, fondly known as APJ Abdul Kalam, is one of the most revered figures in modern Indian history. Known as the Missile Man of India and the People's President, his life story is a testament to the power of perseverance, dedication, and dreams. In this detailed narrative, we explore the extraordinary journey of Abdul Kalam from his humble beginnings in Rameswaram to becoming the 11th President of India, and his enduring legacy as an inspiration to millions. Early life and childhood. Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931, in the small town of Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu, India. His family was modest, and his father, Jainulabdin, was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque, while his mother, Ashima, was a homemaker. Despite limited means, the family was rich in values and spirituality. Kalam's upbringing instilled in him the importance of hard work, humility, and the pursuit of knowledge. As a child, Kalam was curious and eager to learn. He had a deep fascination with flying and aerodynamics, which later shaped his career. To support his family, young Kalam sold newspapers after school, demonstrating his industrious nature from an early age. Despite financial challenges, he excelled in academics, particularly in mathematics and physics. Education and early career. Kalam's thirst for knowledge led him to pursue a degree in physics from St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. After graduating, he moved to Madras, now Chennai, to study aerospace engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology, MIT. At MIT, Kalam displayed exceptional talent and a strong work ethic. His final year project on designing a low-level attack aircraft impressed his professors and marked the beginning of his journey into the world of aeronautics. After completing his studies, Kalam joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, as a scientist. He initially worked on designing hovercrafts but was soon transferred to the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. At ISRO, Kalam played a pivotal role in India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite into orbit in 1980. This achievement cemented his reputation as a visionary scientist. Contributions to India's missile program. In the 1980s, Kalam returned to DRDO to lead India's missile development program. Under his leadership, India achieved significant milestones, including the development of the Agni and Prithvi missiles. His efforts earned him the nickname Missile Man of India. Kalam's work was instrumental in advancing India's defence capabilities, making the nation self-reliant in strategic technologies. Kalam's vision extended beyond weapons. He firmly believed in using technology for peaceful purposes and societal development. His leadership in projects like Integrated Guided Missile Development Program showcased his ability to balance defense priorities with the broader goal of national progress. Pokhran-2 nuclear tests. One of the defining moments in Kalam's career came in 1998 when he played a key role in the Pokhran-2 nuclear tests. These tests demonstrated India's nuclear capabilities and established the country as a global power. Kalam's contributions to this mission were widely acknowledged, and he became a national hero. The People's President. In 2002, Abdul Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India, succeeding K.R. Narayanan. During his presidency, Kalam focused on connecting with the youth of India and inspiring them to dream big. He often visited schools and universities, encouraging students to contribute to the nation's development. His book Wings of Fire became a bestseller and continues to motivate readers worldwide. Kalam's tenure as president was marked by simplicity, accessibility, and a genuine concern for the well-being of the people. He earned the love and respect of citizens across the country, who affectionately called him the People's President. Post-presidency and vision for India. After completing his term in 2007, Kalam dedicated himself to education, research, and writing. He envisioned a developed India by 2020 and worked tirelessly to promote his vision of transforming the nation into a knowledge superpower. He authored several books, including India 2020 and Ignited Minds, which outlined his roadmap for India's progress. Kalam's interaction with students and young professionals remained a cornerstone of his post-presidential years. He believed that empowering the youth with education and values was essential for building a strong and prosperous nation. Legacy and passing. On July 27, 2015, Abdul Kalam passed away while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, IIM, Shillong. His sudden demise left the nation in mourning, but his legacy continues to inspire millions. Kalam's life is a shining example of how dedication, humility, and a passion for serving others can lead to greatness. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's story is more than just a tale of personal success, it is a reflection of India's journey toward self-reliance and innovation. His contributions to science, technology, and education have left an indelible mark on the nation and the world. Conclusion. Abdul Kalam's life is a beacon of hope and inspiration for people of all ages. His journey from a small town to the Rashtrapati Bhavan symbolizes the power of dreams and determination. As the missile man and the people's president, he showed that greatness is achieved not by personal gain but by uplifting others and contributing to the greater good. His legacy will continue to inspire generations to dream, innovate, and strive for excellence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on stories. See you next time.